Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review the Greenworks Compact Electric Pressure Washer, a lightweight but powerful cleaning machine designed for everyday home use and whether it is actually worth buying or not. So first let's understand what makes this pressure washer special. This is an electric pressure washer, meaning it uses a motor-driven pump to increase water pressure and convert normal tap water into a high-velocity jet. This allows you to remove dirt, mud, grease, and even algae from surfaces very efficiently. Now talking about performance, this model delivers 1.2 gallons per minute or GPM. While it may not sound very high, it is actually ideal for light to medium cleaning tasks like washing cars, cleaning patios, fences, decks, and even outdoor furniture. One of the biggest advantages here is its compact and lightweight design. You can easily carry it around, store it without taking much space, and use it without any heavy setup. This makes it perfect for beginners and home users. Next, let's talk about usability. It comes with a 20-foot tangle-free hose and a 35-foot power cord, which gives you a wide cleaning range without constantly moving the machine. This is a huge convenience factor during real-world use. Another important feature is safety and certification. Being CSA certified means it meets safety standards, which is important when dealing with water and electricity together. Pause, now here is the honest part. This machine is not meant for heavy-duty industrial cleaning. If you are trying to remove deep stains from concrete or heavy oil deposits, you might find it underpowered. But for daily household cleaning, it performs really well, saves water compared to traditional hose cleaning, and reduces physical effort significantly. So final verdict, if you want a compact, affordable, and easy-to-use pressure washer